Welcome to ALCOHELLO. My name is Think Twice Mike, and what a week it has been sitting in my house going crazy. But one of my favorite drinks I've been making every single night that's really kind of cheered me up, it's called the PainKiller. And I'm going to teach you how to make it two different ways. Straight up and on the rocks, baby. Alright, here we go now. So you're going to start out with 2 ounces of your favorite dark rum. Doesn't really matter. Traditionally it's made with Pusser's gunpowder from the British Virgin Islands. I'm using a 7-year from Panama. 2 ounces of that beautiful bad boy. This is Coco Lopez or coconut cream. You can get it at any local supermarket. It looks really gross when you open up the can. You got to heat it up a little bit to get a nice consistency here. And you do about 1 ounce of that, which equates to almost a squirt. And then pineapple juice. Real simple. This recipe is going to be real simple for you. 2 ounces of pineapple juice. And then you're going to take ice. And that is going to be PainKiller on the rocks. And all you have to do is finish it off with a little nutmeg. This is a traditional way to make a rum punch or a painkiller in the British Virgin Islands. And it is good stuff. Real quick for you, again, 2 ounces of rum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A squirt of Coco Lopez, about 1 ounce. And 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Some people put orange juice in there. I prefer not to. It's all up to your preference. Now, ice her down. Give it a quick shake. And this one, we will strain into a coupe glass. Oh. My favorite way to garnish this one, do a couple dashes right in the middle of nutmeg, and you can kind of take a toothpick or whatever and spread it out so you get a bit of nutmeg in every sip. How delightful! Painkillers! Thank you for watching ALCOHELLO. My name is Think Twice Mike, and that was delicious. Go home and drink your painkillers, my friend. You're gonna need them. Quarantine's crazy. Woohoo! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment below if you want to see more cocktails.